Prometheus is traditionally bound to a rock, and in this concept he is bound to a wheel. All of the characters, the chorus, and all of the main characters, including Io, respond and react to Prometheus on the wheel. He's there for the entire time. The performer who plays Prometheus works with it very well and really makes the most of his ability to act from that position, to play the points of view with both the other cast members and the audience. It's a steel piece. It was engineered to do several things because it's actually kind of a performer. It is, some respects, sort of clock-like in its appearance. It's impressive to see it. It's impressive to see it move. And, that's one of those things that we hope the audiences get a bit of surprise about, the idea of what the wheel does.
Well, right now we are lifting in parts of the wheel. Obviously, these are big pieces, so there's very few ways to actually get these larger, oversized, heavy pieces into the site except for a crane. So that's what we're doing, bringing it over the back of the theater and into the actual auditorium. And then from here, once the pieces are all assembled, we're going to be using lifts and forklifts to actually assemble the entire wheel in space. And the wheel itself, of course, is the centerpiece of the entire production of Prometheus Bound. Prometheus itself in the myth is strapped to a giant rock. This is a little more visually interesting than a giant rock. But it also, of course, represents the timelessness of the piece and the story. But the entire play and the action of the play is centered on the wheel itself and of course, Prometheus, who is bound to the wheel the entire time. Ron Cephas-Jones is our Prometheus. There's a lot of safety measures and harnesses, so he's very safe up there, but he actually, in a rehearsal and workshop, spent a good amount of time at the very top of the wheel doing his lines and rehearsing scenes, probably spending more time than the actual play. So he was quite brave to be up there for extended amounts of time. It's absolutely the most dramatic set we've ever had.